Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is for class 4 for the subject of computers. Topic Types of memory, which is covered in chapter 1 starting on page number 7 of your textbook titled KIPS Logics 4 and is being submitted to you on 12th of April year 2021. This voice is of Rupinder Kaur. All the students may now please open page number 7 in front of them. I hope all the students are ready for today's lesson. So let us start with the topic. All the students, please listen carefully. Number 1, internal memory. Students, the other name of internal memory is primary memory or main memory. It is easy to access data while working on the computer because this is built-in memory. When we turn off the computer, the data stored in internal memory is erased. It is of two types. Number 1, RAM. Number 2, ROM. Students, now you will study about these two types of internal memory one by one. RAM, random access memory. This memory works like a blackboard of classroom. For writing new topic on blackboard, we erase the previous topic. In the same way, when we turn off the computer or the power goes off, the information stored in the memory is lost. Example, calculator. ROM, read-only memory. It works like an audio or video disc. We use the information of audio or video disc only for listening and watching the topics present inside this. We cannot make any change. Like this, the instructions that are stored in ROM cannot be changed, but can only be read. Example, CD of songs, movies, etc. Number 2, external memory. The other name for external memory is secondary memory. In this, we can store information for longer period. When the computer is turned off, data will not be lost. All storage devices comes in the category of external memory. Now, students, all of you may take a break for 3 minutes. During break time, you will give answers for the following questions. Question 1. Give full form of RAM and ROM. Question 2. Write the other name of external memory. Question 3. Give one example of ROM, read-only memory. Now pause this lesson for 3 minutes. Students, 3 minutes break is over now. Let me give you answers first. And the answers are: Answer 1, RAM, random access memory. ROM, read-only memory. Answer 2, secondary memory. Answer 3, CD of songs or movies. Students, let us continue with the next topic present on page number 8, and the topic is storage devices. Students, all of you use many storage devices for storing different things, such as cupboard for clothes, school bag for study material, etc. Like this, for storing data, there are many storage devices. Example, hard disk, pen drive, CD, etc. These are permanent or not changeable, non-volatile devices. Let us understand about these devices one by one. Hard disk, main storage medium made up of platters, collection of disks fixed inside the CPU, store up to 8 terabyte of data. CD, compact disk, optical storage device, thin, shiny, circular disk, store up to 700 MB of data. 4.7 inches in diameter, it is used for backup of data. DVD, digital versatile disc, also known as digital video disc, optical storage device with capacity from 4.7 gigabyte to 17 gigabyte. Blu-ray disc, it can store up to 128 GB of data used for games and movie data. Flash drive, it is known as pen drive. It is small, lightweight, removable drive, and it stores up to 2 terabyte of data. Memory card, used in mobile phones for transferring images, music files into a computer. Children, now I am ending the lesson here. Please read and listen carefully the lesson and try to solve question A, B, C, D and E present on page number 10, 11, 12. Thank you.